While most traders were getting absolutely wrecked in this price action today, I caught a 5-to-1 RR trade with 100 people on my stream. I did this using the 15-minute opening range breakout mixed with the GUI model, and right now I want to teach you that exact strategy. So the first thing you do is just chart out the high and the low of the first 15-minute candle, and this candle is formed at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Then you just want to get a good read on your daily bias, and how I do that is by finding higher time frame FVGs. So right here I notice that price has traded out of an hourly bullish for value gap down here, and we also got inversion of an hourly bearish for value gap up here. So that just confirms my bullish bias for the day. And here's where it gets really simple. We just use our fib retracement tool from the high to the low of the orb since we have a bullish bias, and then we identify a 5, a 15, or a 1 minute fair value gap. Right here I notice that we have a 15-minute bullish for value gap, and it's overlapping the 50% of the orb. And since we haven't closed outside of the orb yet, I want to see that retracement right here so I can catch the longs back up like that. So all you need to do is just watch price sweep liquidity like this, and while it's sweeping that liquidity and trading into the 15-minute fair value gap, look for a 1 minute fair value gap that is formed on the move down. And the reason that 1 minute fair value gap is important because I know that once price closes above that FVG, we're going to run right back to those internal highs that we formed a few minutes before. So I'm just going to chart out the highs up here like that, and those are going to be my first and second TP targets. All I do is keep my stop below the wick of that bearish for value gap candle. So on this trade, I literally had a 40 tick stop for a 200 plus TP. All right, let's watch this play out right here. We got our entry once we closed above, and look how quick we ran straight to our TP level.